Welcome to the Department of Automobile Engineering, where passion meets innovation.
I am Shakti, a final year student from Automotive Engineering, from Automobile Industries to Advanced Vehicle Research. Our department leads us to successful future.
Students gain hands-on experience by working directly with vehicles in advanced laboratories, turning theory into real-world skills. Our dedicated faculty and experienced head of the department guide students with strong academic knowledge and practical expertise. From understanding automobile machines to exploring the inner workings of vehicle systems, students learn every detail with precision and confidence. Smart classrooms enhance learning through modern teaching methods, making complex concepts simple and engaging. With continuous practice, technical training, and expert guidance, our students are prepared to meet the demands of the automotive industry. Join us and drive your future towards success. Admissions are now open.